All right, this is my reflection for Module 4. I'm going to go ahead and type it out, so I'm going to go ahead and read it. The reading that resonated with me most for Module 4 was Ethics, Courage, and Persistence is the 9 principles of courageous leadership for school leaders in the 21st century. The 9 principles of courageous leaderships are essential knowledge for school leaders in the fast-paced 21st century, from principals to state education officials. These guiding principles are a great place to start when developing leadership. To begin with, all school leaders must be courageous to exercise effective leadership. In addition, they must take ownership of all school-related decisions, including those resulting in unfavorable outcomes. Leaders must also hire staff employees according to specific criteria. By doing this, they can hire qualified personnel to provide the highly quality services necessary for the institution's success. To develop a good school culture, all school leaders should keep everyone focused on what is essential. As a result, the institution objectives will be met if the staff members have a strong sense of focus and purpose. Additionally, leaders in the 21st century must be able to communicate with their followers effectively. Effective coaching, communication, and understanding can boost productivity and encourage development. Additionally, leaders must resolve disputes amicably and focus on the positive to foster a safe and encouraging learning environment. Instilling a culture of ethics and integrity is essential for educating children and building a reliable institution. The principles of the nine principles that the book Courageous Leadership for the 21st Century Leaders can help school leaders develop their courage and positively influence their communities and schools. Since the 21st century is characterized by rapid change and uncertainty, school administrators must be flexible and courageous in their leadership to meet these challenges. The reading for Module 4 struck me as being crucial and significant for all teachers, but especially for me as a future educator. From the lesson, I realized that school leaders could promote a school environment that encouraged creativity, collaboration, diversity, and more behavior by adopting the 9 principles of courageous leadership. Students, instructors, and staff can be inspired and motivated by this type of leadership, enabling them to realize their greatest and fullest potential. All right, with that being said, we're done. Let me see how to stop this now.